So this is your required answer. Then question number 13, 14, 15 is same. I am solving here question number 15. In that question number 15, x equals to 5, y equals to 4, and we have to solve 8xy 3 x square y, and one more question 3y square. So 8xy means 8 into x into y. Whenever you are having this kind of this type of expressions without any plus or minus sign, simply they are in multiplication. 8xy means what? 8 into x into y. 8 will be 8, same. X, value of x is 5, so put 5. Y equals to 4, 4. 8 5 ja 40, and 40 into 4, 160. This is your required answer. Now next question is 3x square y. You can write this expression as 3 into x into x into y. 3 will be 3 into x, value of x 5, into again 5, into 4. 5 5 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, 100 into 3, 300. So this is your required answer. Next is 3y square. You can write this as 3 into y square. Further you can write this as 3 into y into y. Now 3 will be 3 into y. Value of y 4, again 4. So 3 4 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. So this is your required answer for question number 15. Now you can solve question number 13 and question number 14. All the questions are same. You have to substitute values and nothing else. But I am explaining different type of questions to you. Now question number 16, 17, 18. These three are same. I am solving here question number 17. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 10 is given to us, and we have to find first is 30 xy, second is 50 xy square, third is 10x whole square, and the fourth one is 5y square. So it's easy again. 30xy, that means you can write this as 30 into x into y. 30 will be 30, no change, x which is 2 here, so write 2, into y which is 10, so place 10. Now 30 into 2, 60, and 60 into 10, 600, required answer. Now this 50xy square, so write this as 50 into x into y into y. 50 will be same, into x, value of x is 2, into y, value of y 10, again into 10. So 10 into 10, 100, and 100 into 2, 200. Clear? Then 200 into 50. So required answer is 10,000. Next is 10x square. This is a different one because maybe you will make mistake in this question. So just remember, here you are having brackets. So first you have to solve what you are having inside, then you should remove bracket. So bracket 10 into x whole square, then again 10 into x, value of x 2, so 2 into, sorry, bracket close, whole square. Now 10 into 2, 20 whole square. Now you can remove this bracket. So 20 into 20 will be 400. If you are solving, if you will solve in this way or in this pattern, definitely you will get right answer. Clear? The next is 5y square. So 5 into y square. Further you can write 5 into y into y. So 5 into y, value of y 10. So into 10 into 10. So 5 10 ja 50, 50 10 ja 500. So this is your required answer for question number 17. Clear? Question number 19. We are having a equals to minus 10, and some questions we are having here 3a minus 2. So this can be written as 3 into a minus 2. Now 3 into value of a minus 10 minus 2. So 3 into minus 10 will be minus 30 minus 2. So when you are having negative and negative sign, minus and minus sign, minus 30 minus 2, you have to add them, but there will be negative sign. So minus 30 and minus 2 will give you minus 32. Clear? Suppose you are having minus 5 and minus 8. So you have to add these two, you will get 13, but you have to place negative sign. And now if you are having minus 5 and plus 8, one negative sign and one positive sign, you have to subtract. Clear? So subtract 5 from 8, you will get 3, but sign you have to place here, you have to put here, that depends on bigger number. So here x is 8 is a bigger number and sign of 8 is positive, so it will be plus 3. Suppose you are having 14 minus 20. Now you are subtracting bigger number from smaller number, so you have to write minus 6. Clear? Then suppose you are having minus 15 plus 12. So again minus and plus you have to subtract, but sign will be of greater digit. So 15 is a greater here and sign of 15 is minus. So 15 minus 12, 3, you have to write minus 3. Clear? So a square means what? A into a plus 8a means 8 into a. Now value of a minus 10. As I told you, if you are having a negative number and power even, so you will get positive answer. So positive number. So minus 10 into minus 10 plus 8 into minus 10. Now minus 10 into minus 10 will be plus 100 plus 8 into minus 10 will give you minus 80. Now 100. Now if you will remove this bracket, so this plus and minus will be minus 80. So 100 minus 80, 20. So 20 is your required answer. Next is 1 by 5 into a square. So 1 by 5 will be same into a square means what? A into a. So 1 by 5 into a minus 10 into minus 10. So again this minus 10 and minus 10, minus into minus plus, and 10 into 10, 100 into 1 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 20 ja. So 20 is your required answer.